Me, all you brave and open-minded souls out there. We're going to talk about, this is fascinating, the Mintakan Starseeds. And just remember, this channel is about kind of expanding our understanding and really delving into human consciousness, and particularly how do we thrive here on Earth. So there's a lot of mental health information as well. The Mintakan Starseeds, fascinating, originating in the Orion star system. If you search Orion's belt, you'll see kind of what we're talking about. But the planet was destroyed. So the star's still there. The planet was destroyed, and these souls, some of them are considered maybe the original starseeds on Earth because they wanted a planet that was very much like theirs, covered in water, although theirs had a lot more water. And apparently it was like crystal clear. It was just gorgeous. This may be where we got the term mermaid, or the ideology, the myth behind mermaid. And also they feel, here on Earth, the Mintakan starseeds feel most at home near water, especially oceans, and they really are drawn to, aquatic life, specifically dolphins and whales. They may have dolphin and whale figurines in their house, or have always identified when people ask, like, oh, what's your favorite animal? That kind of thing. Oh, it's a whale. Often, or can be, in water related careers, oceanographer and all the different ones, ocean biologist or what have you. These folks are very sensitive, very kind, empaths. They are feeling your energy and maybe know what's going on with you before you do. Often musical, and they're optimistic. These are very kind, optimistic folks. They struggle being around negative energy. They feel it. Now, one of their things is they can be, Mintakan starseeds can be very supportive, and so a lot of times they're healers, and they're supporting folks on their journey and helping them grow and learn, but they can sometimes over-support the wrong people, and they really have to pay attention to this, so they need to build good boundaries so that they're making sure that they're not giving away their energy to people that are misusing it. They need to avoid unevolved people and learn as much as they can about narcissism and psychopathy and how that shows up in the world. And if they have to be around folks that are high in narcissism and psychopathy and other dark triad traits, they need to gray rock, give them very little information so that they cannot be manipulated as a result. So very sensitive, loving souls. If you identify with this, by the way, you might also want to check out the Orion starseeds. I think Palladians resonate with this as well, and it is kind of a mixture. One thing I want to show about the picture on the right is there was one thing I was reading about that said that you could have either birthmarks or freckles that are in kind of the Orion belt form. So I put the three small dots on her neck to indicate that. They said, over all the generations and stuff, this could fade, but kind of cool if you can maybe find that or take a look. But anyway, let me know your thoughts on this, and we'll talk to you on the next video. Take good care, people.